Hello there and welcome to Chris Hall Motorcycles in Doncaster, and welcome to the channel. We've got a nice vintage Yamaha for you today. It is the 1976 Yamaha XS500. It's a UK bike and overall nice and clean. I think this particular bike was restored back in 05 and it's been part of a private collection ever since and sold due to ill health. It does start and run. I've had it started and running off the jump pack. The battery's flat as a pancake, so no startup video today, but I will do one going forward. So I've just got to go get a new battery that I don't have in stock today. So yeah, like I say, it's a 1976 Yamaha XS500 and nice clean bike. So let's have a nice walk around it. Like I say, it does start and run sweet as a nut. I've had it started off the jump pack, but like I say, the battery's kaput just because it's been stud and modern batteries are pretty crap. But like I say, looking at it, that's a new seat. Like I say, I think it was restored in about 05. I've got a few invoices and a bit of literature from that period of time. It's a UK bike. And yeah, as you can see, there's a few marks on the tank and stuff, you know, nothing crazy. It's not Concours, but it is a nice clean example. And we don't get too many of these XS's, but they are actually quite a nice bike. Lovely colour scheme, I do like that. The bike is down as historic on the V5 as well, so no tax or test required. Electric start. And like I say, it's a UK bike as well. But yeah, overall, that is just a nice, clean XS500. The clocks are showing 695 mile. Now we all know it hasn't done 695 mile. It'll have done more than that, but obviously in the restoration process, it will have just had new clocks fitted. So paperwork wise, I've got a Haynes manual with it, some other, like I say, a few other invoices, bits and bobs, a bit of information about the previous owner, some spare fork seals, you know, just general stuff like that, that type of thing. So back to the bike, we can offer nationwide or international delivery on this bike. Finance, you'd have to give me a call on. Part exchanges, again, give us a try. You know, if you want to upgrade or downsize from what you've currently got, not a problem at all. Nice clean bike that. I actually quite like. I love this colour. Like I say, I love this kind of maroon over the gold. I think it looks really in keeping that period of time. You know, mid 70s, definitely. So yeah, if you've got any questions, there is a description below with a link with a price, and also a link to our website where you'll find a load of photos in high definition and you can have a bit of a zoom in. So if you've got any questions on this bike or any of our others, don't hesitate, drop me a line, 01302 760 967, or you can email me, chrishallmotorcycles@googlemail.com. Alternatively, if you are toying with the idea of coming down having a butcher's, I've got about 100 classics in stock and we're slowly getting them all on the line, so you will see them eventually, but it's a mammoth task videoing them all like we're doing now. But yeah, if you're travelling to look at something specific, don't, you know, please give me a call before you set off, just to make sure that bike is in stock and available. Other than that, guys, I'm going to sign off. Don't forget, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button for me, please, and tick that bell for notifications. There's a lot of you out there watching these videos that aren't subscribed. Come on, sort it out, folks. But yeah, stay safe out there. Remember, if you're passing Doncaster, kettle's always on. Pop in and say hello and have a brew. Until next time, stay safe, folks, and thank you very much for watching and have a great day. Cheers.